Hey, welcome back and welcome if you're new to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to accept card payments via WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you are selling your products. For example, in this day and age, a lot of people are showcasing their products and selling products on the internet and then deliver using courier services, right? In order to get their money, they have to send bank account details where the customer has to copy the account detail, paste it to their app, type in the bank name, the account holder, which is a lot of steps and can be an inconvenience sometimes. You know, when banks get busy, especially in SA, if you're a Capitec user, you're struggling to log into the app and you want to make this payment and buy this product from this guy on Instagram, on WhatsApp. So in this video, I'm going to show you an efficient way to get paid on the internet. I don't care if you're selling locally in South Africa or you're selling globally. This way you can accept card payments from anyone and anywhere in the world. For my social media hustlers, this video is for you. Let's get to it. The first step will be signing up to PayFast. It's payfast.co.za. Let's go and hit sign up. Here you can fill in your details, your email address here, your password. You decide if you want to use a business account for registered companies wanting to receive payments, or individuals for sole proprietors wanting to receive payments. Okay, this is the one I use, which is the individual. There's also a cause account, which is for non-profit organizations wanting to raise funds, and buyer for people wanting to manage their purchases and subscriptions. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to fill in these details. Let's go ahead and fill in the details. Let's say, yeah, I'm going to select individual. So we only need personal details. If you have a registered business, you can select business. Okay, we're going to select individual. We'll go down. We'll go down. Right. So let's continue. On the second page, you're operating as a sole proprietor, but you can still have a trading name. Okay, so here it says display name. This is the name that will be shown to your customers. Okay, so if my online store, it's Vincere Digital or September Digital, I'm going to write here Vincere Digital. Okay, Vincere Digital. Right, select my industry and services. Let's just select online services. Okay, what is your primary online platform? We're gonna say social media. Okay, here you can fill in your contact number. All right, I'm gonna write my Instagram account. Great. Description of what you are selling, what specific type of goods or services you are selling. Let's say watches. Okay, VAT number, it's optional because you are a sole proprietor. How will you use PayFast to accept payments on my e-commerce website? If you have a website, to request payment for services rendered, to get paid for something I sold online, e.g. on Gumtree. Okay, so to request payments for services rendered, that's what I use it for. And then you hit continue. Contact number, let's input my contact number. Okay. Hit continue. All right, here you can fill in your address. Postal address is the same as above. We hit continue. Now it's time to input your banking details. Okay, let's select the Mzansi favorite, which is Capitec. We're going to hit Capitec Bank and input the bank account details. You're going to hit continue. First name, your ID numbers, your security questions, all that stuff. But I already have an individual account here. I don't need to continue with this stuff, okay? So after filling in your legal information, PayFast is going to request your proof of existence document. So a scanned copy of your ID and a bank statement for the bank account you have submitted. You will wait maybe a day or two for them to verify your account. When your account is verified, it's going to look like this. This will be your dashboard. If you have money in this account, the request a payout will be super red. This is how you're going to withdraw money from your PayFast to the registered bank account. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. How do I get paid by my social media followers or my WhatsApp contact? Let me show you how you're going to do that. It's super easy, simple, straight to the point. Okay, as you can see on this sidebar, there's dashboard, there's transactions. This is where you can see transaction history. If you sent a link for a subscription where you can charge the account every month, okay, this is payout management. Okay, this is where you can write the amount you want to withdraw. I'll have to hide my banking details right here. The main sidebar tool we're going to use is the payment request. Select send payment request. Once you click send payment request, you're going to get three options. What service type is the payment request for? Is it for goods and services? That's what I use for services. Is it auction? You select whichever is suitable for that transaction or request of payment. And then here you can write your recipient details. Okay, payment request details. You can write the email address. Okay, their email address, their name, the amount they're supposed to pay. Let's say it's 15,000. Okay, we'll write 15,000 there. Postage and packaging if there is delivery. I sell services online, so obviously it's going to be 0 rands. Description, this is where I'll write if maybe it's a website or it's mixing and mastering service, all that good stuff. Invoice ID, it's optional, you don't need to input that. Order ID, it's optional also. Okay, here you can write a personal message to them. Let's do it. Okay, I'm going to send a payment request to myself. Recipient name, it's going to be 7th of September. The amount is going to be 15,000 rand. Okay, postage 0. Description, I want a website and content development. Okay, invoice ID, I'm not gonna write that. The personal message, I'm not gonna write that, but you can write a nice message, a personal message, or a message with instructions on how they're gonna do it. Because I want you to see how this works, we have to go through. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and send the payment request. Send payment request. Payment request successfully sent. So we've sent this link. This is the link you're going to copy and send to your WhatsApp contacts. Okay, at the very same time, if they gave you an email address, they're gonna receive the link via their email address to make the payment. Okay, but in this case, I'm just gonna copy this link address. Okay, open it in a different browser, copy and paste the link. Look at it. It's beautiful. Okay, secured and powered by PayFast. You can see my logo here. On the display settings, that's where you'll be able to upload your logo so that the person can see that this is legit. Okay, you can see the Vincere Digital Agency logo. The payment total is 15,000 rand. Their email address here they can make the payment using their credit or check card, like they're buying on Takealot. We select credit card. Okay, we input credit card details. The typical way you do when you're buying on Takealot, name on card, whatever, they hit pay, you get paid. PayFast is gonna send you a notification telling you someone has paid into your account, but they're gonna hold the funds for like 24 hours, if I remember well, 24 hours or 48 hours, just to make sure certain things are in order. And then after 2 days, maybe, then you'll be able to withdraw the money to your bank account. If you got value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. My name is 7th of September, and this is the September Digital YouTube channel where we talk about online business, internet money tips, and content creation. Make sure you like, subscribe. See you in the next video.